Hello, my name is Chris Malone, and I am the instructor of our data visualization class here at Winona State University this semester. The students in this class are putting on the third annual Winona State University Data Visualization Expo. Due to the COVID restrictions, this year's event will be taking place online using the Gather.Town app. This short video will show you how to maneuver within that software. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. To get to the Gather.Town room, you're simply going to select the event link on top of the Expo's website. Gather.Town is going to request the use of your microphone and camera in order to interact with the presenters. So we're going to want to select Allow here in that box. You also may find it necessary to zoom in and out on the Gather.Town app. You can do this within your web browser. Here you can see that it is requesting a name. This is the name that people will see when you're within the room. You also need to identify which camera, microphone, and speaker you'd like to use. Once you've had those specified, simply select Join the Gathering. So here is the event room for this year. You can zoom out and see that there are a total of 25 posters for this year's exposition. Poster number 1 is up here in the upper left-hand corner, then they go across and down, with poster number 25 being in the lower right-hand corner. If I zoom back in, I can see that I am actually an avatar here within this space. They do provide a tutorial for you, but here I'm going to simply select Skip Tutorial and just show you how to move around. To move around in the space, you simply use your arrow keys on your keyboard. So if I wanted to go visit poster number 2, I would just simply move to poster 2 and then step onto their green carpet there. I can see that poster number 4 actually has a presenter here. So I'm going to step onto their carpet, and you will see that the information that presenter 4 is showing will show up on my screen. So you can see that I have stepped onto the green carpet there, or that private space, for poster number 4. I am now able to communicate and see that presenter if they have their camera on. I can also see their screen here. If you'd like to interact, you can say or press X here to interact with that person. They'll be able to, or what the presenter has been asked to do, is simply to share their visualization with you. If you cannot see the visualization, you can either zoom in on your screen or ask the presenter to zoom in slightly on their screen so that you can see the information being presented. Once you're done communicating with this presenter, you can simply select the X button and move on to somebody else's poster within the space. I've also created just a sitting space for people in the room to visit with each other. This space is not showing a poster presentation, but a space simply for you to visit with others in the room. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this year's event, and please stay safe. Thank you.